It's a good one, guys. Yeah. Cinco, dude. One. It's not that big. 21's I have to keep it though. I gotta take a picture of it right now. I mean, the way this year is shaping out, it might make the top 5. You know, because all the lakes might get shut down, you know? If lakes get shut down, whoever thought at the time, you know? So, it's weightless wacky. So, they're shallow for sure. They're big too, they're shallow. Everybody jump on that Cinco train. Well, if I don't do the bend board, it doesn't get to 21. I'll let it go. All right, there we go. That's a big one. 21, I call it. 21. Right there. There's one right there. All right, Cinco fish. A buck. A little buck bass. You know, on the swim jig. There we go. That's kind of cool. Huh. Okay. bad, not bad. All right. Decent one. Woo! There we go. There we go. Ah, a little chunk. Nice little chunk. It's not bad. It's probably just a male, but yeah, whatever. Take it. That is not the cool, man. All right, I'm not even gonna measure him because I gotta put him back in the water as soon as possible. There you go. It's probably the male. Maybe a female around somewhere. Look at this boat. There's blood everywhere. All right, let's see how. Let's see how I put my wacky rig together. Here's the wacky. Go in about halfway. 2 O-rings onto it. Yeah, about 2. There you go. And then we got our hook. Good. All right. It is Cinco fish. Cinco fish. This is going to be called the Cinco episode. Here we go. Another Cinco fish. A lot of little Cincos, man. A lot of little Cinco fish. We catch ourselves some 7-8 pounders, man. Gotta catch some 7 and 8s. I mean, Oh, y'all see that? Damn. Frog bite, yo, frog bite. Yo, that just freaking happened. That just freaking happened. These are the ones we're looking for, buddy. These are the fish that you look for when you're trying to win online tournaments, man. These are the fish you look for. Woo! Look at that. Hit my frog too. Came out of this. Let me show you guys what's up, right? I don't know what it is, but I saw a whole bunch of blow-ups out there. And then I know that's a bed right there, so I threw my frog up in there. Twisted a couple times. I don't know if I caught it on camera or not, but this girl came out of that bush and hit it out there in the open water right there. And this sucker is huge. Sucker is huge. And you know how we do. Look at her. She big, man. She big. She good size. She good size, right? All right, buddy. I know your bed's right there, so I'm gonna release you right here, okay? Go back to your bed. There she goes. It's a giant. Oh, gar. Dang it. Gar hit it. Well, that sucks. I was kind of hoping it was not a gar. Oh my god, look at this. Ooh. Woo. Caught myself a dragon, guys. Caught myself a dragon. Caught myself a dragon. Ah. How the hell are we gonna do this? There we go. Oh. Alright guys, it's time to go home. Apple pie time. It's like a 1.5 mile run to the car, so we're gonna snack a little bit. Hostess fruit pie, apple. It's the best one ever. Let me know if y'all agree. Oh. Okay, on our way back, there's a bunch of people at the ramp. We're gonna practice social distancing. So what that means is we're gonna fish into the night. I've always wanted to fish this swimming area. Never had the chance to. That was my chance since the beach is closed. Got one. Finally got one. Oh, spotted bass. That's what I thought. Look at that guy. That guy's crazy. Crazy appetite. There you go. Spotted bass. No wonder. All that area right off. Spotted bass. Okay, so I figured this crazy needle in a haystack pattern. It's the black bird pattern. So I'm talking about. If there's blackbirds around, they're probably getting eaten by bass. Okay, so just throw a frog, work it real slow. There's a good chance you get smoked by a 5-pounder. Just saying. Whew. That's a fat mama right there. Fat mama. Woo! Pre-spawn. Still pre-spawn. Look at that. Damn, look at that. Whoa, it's a big one. It's a big one. Whew. Yo, that's 21 and a quarter, buddy. That is 21 and a quarter. Of course, with the mouth closed, but hot damn, hot damn. Gonna get a picture with this. Oh, come on. Come on, come on. Ah! Come on, what? Another one. Another one. Ah, freaking giants. Damn. Dang, dude. Dang, dude. Freaking toad. 21. 21, man. 21. 21. It's dark. It's time to load up the kayak. Time to go home. I thought this ramp was like a lot more steep than this, but I guess not. That's why you get a double trailer. It helps.